Check it out, broskies. This used to be John's old car. He ended up selling it to the homie Angel. Check out those door cards though. Carbon fiber. Clean. Those Blitz. Whoo! Damn, sick ass Blitz. I'm gonna get some of these one of these days. They're hard to find though. And then the ones that are out there, they want fucking an arm and a leg for them. Check it out. Sick ass FD. Finally runs. What's up, baby?
What's up, man?
Give it some revs.
Sounds good now, right?
Yeah. Sounds beautiful. Sounds beautiful, looks beautiful. I like it.
I almost fell again.
Please check out this beauty. Damn! That Viper. Two hours later, sitting in traffic. We made it. Oh! Alright, broski, so I've been feeling a little better from my stomach. But I don't know if you guys saw my story the other day. I was at Walmart and I bought some what was it called? Gas X. I bought some Gas X. Supposedly that thing was supposed to like let all my air out, and it ended up not working too well. So I figured I'd come to Taco Bell or Wiener Schnitzel. I heard that shit gives you fucking chorro, so let's see if it works. I'm gonna get some chorro food right now.
Hi, thank you so much for choosing Wiener Schnitzel. What can I get for you?
Let me get 3 chili cheese hot dogs.
3 chili cheese dogs?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you want? And then can I get 2 mustard dogs?
That's 2 mustard dogs?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then let me get 1 large fry.
A large french fry?
Yeah.
Alright, anything else?
And let me get a corn dog.
And a corn dog on the side, okay. So I got 3 chili cheese dogs, 2 mustard dogs, a large french fry, and 1 corn dog on the side?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink tonight?
Not today.
Alright, dude.
And also, broskies, I've been running a lot around my block, and then like a mile away there's some stairs. It's got about 40 steps, and I've been going up and down a lot. So right now my legs are all sore, my arms are all sore, my butthole is sore. But yeah, hopefully this chorro cheese hot dogs work. We're here at Wiener Schnitzel. Let's get it, boys. Oh shit.
Change is $2.59, so I got 59 cents. There you go. Hi, go ahead.
I guess security and that cop, they're looking for the homeless. But I seen that fool fucking run all the way over there. Yeah, he fucking ran.
And you must have...
Bad boys, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? When they come for you, he gone. That fool's like right here in the drive-thru of Taco Bell, just chilling. All right, boys, so let's go home and let's go get this chorro. All right, broskies, today's the day. We're finally gonna reveal Alfonso's new whip. I'm gonna hop on my Z right now, and then we're gonna go to his house, and then we'll show you the car. Actually, change of plans. I'll just take the dad car.
Okay.
I'm lazy to drive the Z right now. All right, broskies, a little update from the Wiener Schnitzel from yesterday. Turns out that I didn't get chorro, but later during the like at nighttime when I was like in bed and shit, I usually don't go to sleep till like 2 in the morning, maybe 3 sometimes. And right before like I was gonna like knock out, I started farting, broskies. Like low key, that thing helped more than the Gas X pills that I chewed on. But yeah, that's just crazy. And today I feel way better. So I've been farting normal. Yeah, new me. I feel like a new me now. All right, broskies, we're here at Alfonso's house. We're gonna show you his whip. Woo! Most of you guys already know what he got. I mentioned it in the previous video, I believe, and it's pretty cool. And it's not that cool, but we're gonna make it cool. Here she is, broskies. It's a 2003 Nissan 350Z. Needs a lot of work though. Check out the front end. It doesn't line up pretty good. It's got dents right here, dent right there. The back is alright. I don't know about this wing though. It's carbon fiber. And then this bumper, it's alright. Car's got tags. Let's see, let's check it out from this side. Looks like the body's rolled. Yeah, they rolled the fenders on it a lot. It's missing a side skirt. It's got another dent right here. Fenders, even like the hood. The HR hood is fucked. It's a DE, by the way. Let's see what else. Damn, the roof is a little dented right here. Hey, what's up, Alfonso? Just right here checking, showing the broskies your new whip.
You wanna buy it?
No way. I'll give you 500 for it, way. Hey, ¿qué pedo, wey? Start it up, okay?
Check the coolant, because I just drained it and filled it up.
Oh yeah?
Estoy esperando que se baje.
Let me see the interior, way. Some small tears and rips and tears. Black interior, manual. I like the shift knob. Pretty cool. Everything's stock on it. Interior is pretty clean. Check out the engine. Nothing special. K&N intake. Yeah, here she is. It's missing a little bit of coolant. Look at that battery though. No mames. It's full of rust. But yeah, he's gonna turn it on right now and see what she sounds like. Cabron, why haven't you fucking used your toolbox, way? No mames, just take it to my house. It's got a nice little cool blitz radiator cap. A ver, turn this shit on. How many miles on this baby?
20,744.
That's not 20,000, way. Oh, that's 200,744. Damn. I mean, not bad for what he paid. We got it so cheap that I can't even tell you guys. We got heater, we got AC, we got a stereo. Give it some little ribs. What's up with that oil pressure though? So most of these cars, the oil pressure sensors, they don't really work. I remember I had like another Z or two, and both of them didn't work. I had an automatic one before, and then another manual one, and both of the those sensors, those oil sensors, didn't work. So I ended up replacing them, and they started working. But that's a really common issue with Z's. So yeah. A ver, güey. Let me give it some revs. Show the broski, güey. Shit don't burn out, huh? This shit don't burn out, huh? Nah. Ah. Pretty cool. How do you feel, way?
Sounds pretty healthy, doesn't it?
Do you feel like a fuckboy now that you have a 350Z?
No.
No way? You should, way. It's got coils too. Some cheap ones. Yeah. Like that. If anybody has a stock bumper, front bumper, let this one know. And the hood probably.
Leave some comments down below. Whoever has a stock bumper.
Yep.
Stock front bumper. And possibly the rear bumper too.
I have the rear bumper with.
And side skirts.
Oh yeah, and one side skirt.
No, both of them.
Both of them?
This one's part.
What's wrong with this one, with? She's fucking good, with. It's the fender.
Oh, is it?
It's the fender, yeah. Yeah, it's the
Or
fender.
the passenger side fender. I mean, passenger side side skirt.
Side skirt, yeah. Like that. You look like DK from a fast Tokyo Drift. His fairy lady with that wing. So with that wing, go. You gonna take it off?
For sale.
For sale,
Whoever wants to buy it, probably buy it.
Yeah. I don't know. Personally, I don't like it. But up to you, way. What's the plan, way, for this shit? You gonna sell it or you gonna pinche join the broskies, way?
If offers come up, then probably sell it and get a better one. Or possibly a
honestly, wait. This one, for the price you got it, way, it's all right. Either fucking sell it as is now, or just fucking fix it, way. It's worth it for the price you got it. It's clean, way. I mean, other than the front end, but that's just easy fix. And then I don't know how I feel about this rear bumper. It looks all right though. But for sure, wheels, way. And then take off that wing, and then just fix the front end, and then we can paint it. So I don't know, way. I think you should keep it, way.
I think the paint it's alright.
It's not that bad, way. Yeah, it's good. Just gotta wash it, way. This shit needs love. But yeah, I mean, I see yonkers like this, and I see the potential in them. I think it's alright. I mean, the car's been painted. You can see the clear coat started dripping right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, probably not. Oh yeah, ahí está. But yeah, chingon. Not bad. The engine sounds pretty good. Just needs a new battery or clean that one up. A ver qué pedo. But I mean, if you need parts, Angel's parting out that G35. De volada, way. Get this shit going good. It's just ugly, way.
I think I may need the spindle, the driver's side spindle.
The spindle or bearing. Yeah, because you can hear that shit. But that's that, way. I think it's good, way. It's a good car to start a good build. My shit was fucking uglier than this shit. Worse, yeah, worse condition, and I didn't give up on it.
This, at least At least I have the, what are it called, the 8 pillars?
Yeah, the 8 pillars. I don't have that shit, güey. I'm gonna come at night, güey. Te lo voy a robar.
At least the quarter panels are good.
Yeah, quarter panels are good, güey. I mean,
The only thing that's bad is the
just the front
removable
end.
parts.
Yeah, the fender, the hood, all that shit. But like I said, güey, I have the fenders, the rear bumper. I even have a hood, güey. You just need a front bumper, güey. That's it. Vámonos. Un pinche puro Yonkes banner y vámonos. Que se armen los chingadazos. What?
Next track thing?
Next track day, güey. When we test drove it, it kind of felt like it had a welded diff, no?
Yeah, and I was driving it around and I didn't even clutch kick or fucking knee brake and that shit was doing donuts.
Cabrón. Verga, nah.
I just fucking floored
I
it.
don't believe you, güey. A ver, let's take it, güey. Not down, güey. Vamos a GMR right now, okay? Go test it out. Sunday, güey.
With wheels.
Así dale, güey, chinguen su madre.
Fucking 20s in the front and 17s.
Te vendo los Enkis, güey, que tengo. Alright, broskis, I'm ending the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button for Alfonso if you guys are excited. But yeah, other than that, if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the broskis. Anything else you want to say, güey? You gonna keep it or not, güey?
Like I said, if I get good offers for it, then I'll sell it. But if not, then I'll just keep it.
Nobody fucking offer him shit. Yo te doy 500, güey, si quieres. Right now. Cash in hand.